All right, guys, so welcome to the bench. Going to be doing an unboxing here of some sweet Hot Wheels. Hopefully we'll get a nice treasure hunt, maybe a super treasure hunt. I know you guys love those. Word on the grapevine is that they put a super treasure hunt in every 20 cases. So when you bust your case open and you don't get a super treasure hunt, don't be super shocked. That's what makes them so fun. Always look at your tapes. Make sure that your tapes are in good shape. I get these from folks that I know, so I know that I'm always getting good sealed boxes. This one looks really good. Let's dig into it and see what kind of goodies we got. Really would like to have that little SVO in a super treasure hunt. That's a sweet hot rod. Yeah, also when you're opening these, be super careful. All right, so everything looks really nice inside. Nicely packed, good cards. You always want to look for the cardboard separator in between. This looks like a good case. Let's dig in here. See some Batmans right off, so that's pretty cool. Here with the Lamborghini, those are pretty sweet. I like those. And then the purple Batmobile. Got the '68 El Camino. I wish they would make some without the motor in the back too, but still, nice little car. The Fission Buster. Nice little green hot rod. The Lotus. These are cool. I love these. This is actually a pretty old casting. We've been making those for a while. Here's a good one. The Ram Charger. Everybody loves a demon. That's a good one. There we go. There's one of the '69 Chevy pickups. Those are sweet little rides. And they make two different sizes of these, in case you guys didn't know. They make a bigger one too. I don't know how Hot Wheels calls everything 1/64th. And then there's the S2000. That's a sweet little hot rod. I like getting the cases because, bam, all the corners are good. Nobody's messed them up, dropped them on the floor. The Cyber Speeder, it's actually pretty sweet. And don't forget, you guys can get all these over on the website, munclemikes.com. I'll be putting them up. I'll be customizing them. There'll be open cars, parted cars. Okay, so here's some nice ones. Little RX-7 in the dark red and gold. That's a sweet little ride. The Honda Civic Custom. I have not hooked up one of these blue ones yet, so that's pretty sweet. The Dodge Charger SRT and the EMS version. That's a slick car. Oh, I see a Corvette. I see a Corvette. I'm pretty stoked on those. So, nice little '62 Corvette gasser, the Mad Mouse flavor. This is new for 2022. The Sand Burner. That looked pretty nice with some sweet off-road rubber tires. And these seem like I just can't stay away from these. I think probably I have 100 of these now. If you guys want some, go hit the website. I got those over there coming out of my ears. All right, here we go. The Lay-In Lowrider. That's a sweet little car right there. Pretty good. I like to throw wheels and tires on those. And then you can never go wrong with a Viper. Always good. Coming in the Hot Wheels blue flavor. Lethal Diesel in a rescue edition. Bet she pours some smoke, huh? Rolls coal. You guys roll coal? Some people be like, what is that? All right, got us another sand burner. You notice here's an RX-7. You do get duplicates in a case. I see a lot of times people are like, oh, I got duplicates. Well, you do. There's a hot wire. That's a pretty sweet little ride right there. That's a goodie. And the '05 Mustang, which Makes very little sense to me at all, but is pretty wicked cool if you like custom stuff. You can get this in the DIY over on the website. Now here's a sweet one. There's the drift. I like the paint jobs on these. I think those are pretty sweet. They're not going to have the V8 anymore. So, scored. Another little gasser. So that's pretty sweet. Always start to see those. This one's pretty cool. The reason I like this one is there's a lot of detail in this car. There's a lot of detail that they don't put in most of their hot rods that they do. Here we've got the lightning bug. That's pretty sweet. Hot Wheels Rapid Response Ambulance. So, I guess if you're in the fantasy world and you need an ambulance, there it is. Coming for you. Another hot wired. That's pretty sweet. Those are cool. I like this one. Arista Rat. Those things are pretty sweet. I'll probably hook these up in a DIY over on the website if you guys want to come get that for yourself. Hot Wheels Warp Speeder in the pink. Oh, snap. Look what we got. It's a treasure hunt. Yeah, buddy. Got a Hot Wheels Warp Speeder treasure hunt. See, now you know a treasure hunt by the back. All right. And then it says, hey, guess what? You just found a treasure hunt back behind the car there. See that? And then if it's a super treasure hunt, of course, it'll have rubber tires. Yay, treasure hunt. And there we go back to the duplicates. Here's another Dodge Viper. Well, I just got a treasure hunt. So, you know, duplicates come in the box. A machine packs these boxes. The Toyota Supra. I'm really stoked on this casting. I think it's a really sweet casting. I'm a 90s kid, so I really like that. 80s kid, really, but driving in the 90s. Another Drifter. That one in purple. Purple and green. Can't go wrong, right? There's the Snowstormer. That'd be fun. We got a lot of snow around us. That'd be a good time right there. Getting down to the last of the top. Another Charger EMS. So that's pretty cool. Little guys love that. Always nice to kick those to the little dudes. These are pretty sweet. I think this is one of the cars that is kind of not picked up as much as it should be. It's a pretty sweet looking car. All right, we're down to our second layer. Now you see how nicely that's in there? Yeah, you don't want one that's all messed up pulling it out. All right, what do we got on the bottom here? So we can see a Nissan, and the corners are already jacked. Again, it's because the machine puts this in here. So let's just pull this one out right away. We'll try to. Yeah, she got all jacked up in there, huh? When it jammed it in. See a Barbie. Okay, so another Nissan Maxima. Obviously, this one's going to go in the customize or the loose cars. The Barbie Extra. She's extra. Another Nissan Leaf Nismo. And a purple Batmobile. There's some cool things in there. Does anybody see? Ooh. There's a Lambo. I like these a lot. I think these are really cool. I throw some chrome BBS wheels on these over at the website. So if you like those, go check that out. All right, here we go. Ah, yeah. The funny car, supercharged. That's a really sweet car right there. The only thing that's kind of a bum deal is they put the way small wheel on the front, so it's a little bit hard to find customized wheels for it. The 2018 Camaro SS. Everything's great in green. And these are awesome. I love these. The tuned 83 Chevy Silverado. You know, little supercharger out the hood. Do you guys know that you can use a smog pump on a go-kart for a supercharger? Bam. Got us another rapid response. Those are pretty sweet. Maybe I'll throw some wheels on that. All right, here's the McLaren Elva. Those are nice, and they make these in a lot of different colors in 2022. I've picked up, I think, 4 different colors. The Rescue Duty Medic, pretty sweet. Got quite a few Batmobiles in this one, so that's great. those are going to make real nice cars for the adventure boxes. So kids, watch out for that. The Electro Silhouette. Everything's electric now. Cool thing about electric is, man, it's horsepower on tap. Go, buddy. Another Challenger drift car. These are pretty sweet. You can get these in DIYs on the website, carded and loose. I've got quite a few of those. Another Fusion Buster. Ah, the GMC Hummer electric vehicle. That's a horrible idea, is what that is right there. Nissan Z Pronto. That's a neat little car. Probably super unsafe. Oh, there's the 84 SVO and the Charger. So the SVO is pretty sweet. I love the purple and silver. It's a nice little car. And then of course the Dodge. You can never go wrong with a Charger, right? And it's the 500. If you guys notice, some of your cars are Chargers and some of them are Charger 500s. Plus it's a sick color. It's a great color. All right. The Turtle Shell. That thing's pretty sweet. Here we go with another Lethal Diesel. And throw some wheels on that. I bet that'd be pretty cool. Check that out. 69 Camaro convertible. Man, that's a money car right there, isn't it? Another red Honda 2000. Those are pretty sweet cars. And then again, not my favorite in the whole world. Wish they would take that motor out. Maybe I should make something to get rid of that. I know some of you like it. You'll be yelling about it. The Estate wagon. These look slick with some race wheels. Oh yeah, there it is. This is probably one of my favorite cars. And they put it in a beautiful red, and they've got a real nice blue they're using 2022. Lightning Bug. I think we already saw one of these. Yeah, we did. It looks like it wants to glow in the dark. And then we've got another black number 12 Elva. Those are sweet. Another Barbie Extra, an extra. Ah, Cruise Bruiser. That thing's awesome right there. Little demo derby in the Vista Cruiser. Gold's never bad. So then we got another Nissan Pronto. Nissan Proto. And awesome. Another 71 Lamborghini. Pretty sweet. Stoked on that. Getting down to the last of it. Oh, there we go. Land Speeder. That's a score. You don't see very many of these. You know, it's not a treasure hunt or anything like that, but it's a pretty sweet deal. All right, so the Donut Drifter and the Tortoise Shell. These Donut Drifters are pretty sweet. I'll throw some wheels on those. All right, and our last car. Not a super treasure hunt in this box, but we got a treasure hunt. The Lancia Delta. This is a sweet little race car. I've got these in carded and loose cars over on the website. So, pretty good box. Got a lot of nice cars. Remember to look for your nice, clean tape. You want the cardboard in between the cars to be in good shape and not all bent up. And don't forget that sometimes you get some doubles in a case. All right, guys, visit the website, munclemikes.com. Drop some comments. What are your favorite cars out of this box? Like, subscribe, you know, all that stuff.